Hello, dear students. Let us continue with the chapter Animal Behavior. So, dear students, in our last class, we learnt about the variations in animal behavior. So, each animal have a different kind of behavior in them, just like we have. We have different types kind of behavior, right? We are not the same, right? Yes, so the same way the animals also are not same. They have each behavior, they have different behaviors in each. So today we are going to learn about the variations in physical features. So what are the variations there in physical features? Like animals also have differences in their body parts, like they have long ears, long tail, long hair, long nose, like that. There are different types of variations in physical features too. So first one is the ears. Animals Different animals have different shape and size of ears. The type of sound they can hear also different. There are many differences in each kind of or each shape of ears or each size of ear. The type of sound they can hear is also very differ. They differ. Animals like tigers, lions, uh, ears are facing forward. You can observe, right? The tiger's ear, it is forward. So tigers and lions ears are facing forward so that they can hear it sharply. Whoever is walking, their footstep, or they can hear it neatly. So animals like rabbit, deer have ears which can turn in different directions. Like in this picture, you can see that a deer is having at their side. Why is that? That is because they can hear the footstep of the tiger so that they cannot chase them. So this they have a very sharp ear. They can hear it very sharp, like they can hear from this footstep. If anyone is there hunting for them, so they can see and they can hear it very well by their footstep. The next one is hair. Different types of hair patterns are seen in animals. Some have long, thick hair, while some others have thin hair. For example, elephants have thin hair and very small hairs at the front, while bears have the thick of hair layer covering their body. Even the horses, they have hair at their necks, right? They have very thin and soft hair, where some are soft, some are rough. So they have a very long hairs, right? Yes, so they differ in hair also. Nose. Different types of nose are found in animals. Elephant have a long nose developed into a trunk. Tails. Different types of tails are found in animals. Kangaroos have a long, strong tails. So some animals live in group, some other live alone. They may also show specific behavior like area marking, moving from one place to another, sleeping for a long period of time. These are the things where animal behavior specifies, right? Yes. So in physical features, some have long ears, some have short ears. Their sizes and difference, their ears are can turn in any directions. Then in hair, they have a long, thin, or they have a thick, long hairs. And in nose, the nose elephant has a trunk of an elephant, a trunk which is they have a long nose which is developed into a trunk. Then a tail. Kangaroo has a long, strong tail. So these are the specific features in variations in each animal having. So let us continue this session in the next class. I hope you all are understanding it well. Thank you, class. Enjoy learning.